What's crackin', folks? I'm Dingle D, and today I'm gonna show you why your H3 fuel economy is often better than you think, especially when running oversized tires. Check to see if the speedometer was accurate. Even if the displayed speed is 3 to 5% off, it can quickly impact a few important things. These things include calculated fuel economy, odometer reading, actual speed, and shifting related to vehicle speed. If my speedometer is inaccurate, it means my odometer is inaccurate. If my odometer is inaccurate, it means my calculated fuel economy is also inaccurate. Let me show you a quick example of how these errors can cause issues in calculating fuel economy. For this example, I will be using a situation resulting from changing tire sizes. Say we are changing from the standard 265/75 R16 H3 non-adventure tires to the largest we can fit, which is the 35-inch tire size on the H3. My dash speed shows 60 miles per hour and my GPS speed shows 68 miles per hour. This means for every 100,000 miles accrued on the odometer, I will have actually driven 13,000 miles more than that. This is a much larger discrepancy than most people will have, but it serves the point of showing how a single change in tire size can dramatically change the number of miles shown on the odometer. You can see how this could cause concern for maintenance, and more relevant to this video, how it could affect calculated fuel economy. With this example, my calculated fuel economy would be off by 13%. Say I was actually getting 16 miles per gallon, but when I go to calculate my fuel economy using the odometer or trip meter, I will find the value is only a mere 13.9 miles per gallon. Speedometer calibration is slightly off by design on our H3s. It has to be a general value due to the nature of our tires losing diameter as they wear out. This means as our tire sizes change via wearing down, our speedometer accuracy also changes. Tire wear causes minimal discrepancy in long-term calculated fuel economy. The more important changes are when the dimensions of the tire are changed, such as in our earlier example with larger tires. With installing larger or smaller tire sizes, it's important to recalibrate the speedometer or figure out what percentage the speedometer is off so you can utilize this percentage in calculating your fuel economy. To learn how to calibrate the H3 speedometer, check out my video on speedometer calibration using HP tuners. Recalibrating my speedometer is how I know exactly what my calculated fuel economy is, because my calculations are more accurate with a properly calibrated speedometer. While tire size is the primary issue with fuel economy inaccuracy, it is not the sole explanation for our perceived poor fuel economy. There are a lot of other contributing factors. The best way to improve actual fuel economy is with your driving behavior. In the future, look out for my video on how to increase fuel economy, where I outline exactly how driving behavior influences fuel economy and how I was able to reach a whopping 22.5 miles per gallon on a recent road trip. In the video, I will go into detail on how acceleration, braking, speeding, and other factors play a huge role on actual fuel economy. Did you find this video helpful? If so, consider helping me out by becoming a supporter on my Patreon page. Thank you for your support, and I will see you next time. The booties is back.